Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to make vegetable broth at home. I used to buy vegetable broth from the store, but it never really tasted great and it's also packed with preservatives. Vegetable broth is ideal for making soups and stews, and once you start making vegetable broth at home, you'll notice that the taste of your soups and stews is so much better. So I really hope you take advantage of this beautiful recipe, and if you have some leftover vegetables, make sure to make your homemade vegetable broth. So let me show you my favorite combination of vegetables and herbs to make vegetable broth at home. And if you're new here, remember to subscribe and activate your bell notifications so you can get notified of the next video I share. You can start by filling out the cooking pot with 4 liters of water, or this is equal to 4 quarts of water, or 32 cups. While we wait for the water to start boiling, let's chop some vegetables. In this recipe, I'm using freshly chopped garlic, onions, carrots, and celery, as well as some herbs, including rosemary and thyme. And don't forget the bay leaves, that gives a really nice flavor to the vegetable broth. We're also using some fresh herbs such as cilantro or parsley, whatever you have on hand, as well as fresh ginger. Ginger is very important for vegetable broth and it will give the vegetable broth nice crisp flavor. You don't want to miss this ingredient. Once the water starts boiling, add all the vegetables and herbs to the water, excluding the cilantro or parsley, which we will add later on. All the herbs will give an incredible taste to the vegetable broth. Fresh rosemary and thyme are my favorite combination when I make vegetable broth at home. And the bay leaves also give such a beautiful flavor. So once again, cook everything for 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes, you can add a tablespoon of sea salt and half a tablespoon of black pepper. And now is the time to add the fresh herb, which is cilantro or parsley, whichever one you're using. You can cover the pot and turn the heat off at this point. We don't want to boil the parsley, we just want the parsley to give a nice flavor to the broth. And after the vegetable broth cools down, it's ready to use. Look at the color, how beautiful and rich this vegetable broth is. Last month I used this vegetable broth to make a delicious carrot ginger soup, and the soup turned out amazing. This vegetable broth is so much better than buying vegetable broth from the store. It will change the taste of all of your dishes that you're using it for, and you will absolutely love it. So I highly recommend you make your vegetable broth in the house and enjoy this beautiful and delicious combination of vegetables and herbs. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this incredibly easy recipe, and I hope you make your vegetable broth at home free of preservatives. Appreciate your support in watching our videos, and if you're interested in more of our recipes, click on the next one that is popping up on the screen, and I'll see you over there.